Channel. This is your girl Marie, and I just wanted to come to you guys and talk to you beautiful women for a little bit, because you know what, this girl is feeling herself. Yes, I am. So I just wanted to come and talk to us little mature women for a little bit, as I do always. So welcome to my channel, and for those of you who are new, welcome, and the ones that are come back, hey girl. So I just wanted to talk to you guys about something. I saw a campaign by Chico's, I think it's Chico's, and it says that I saw a few women and they said that they were growing bolder. Yes, aging bold. Instead of age, they said bold. And so I wanted to come and talk to us bolder women, because you know what, your girl is feeling pretty bold here lately. So as you can see, I am wearing my natural hair. I've been wearing it, I've been rocking my hair now a couple months, I think. Maybe somewhere around there, a couple of months. But I want to tell you guys that this last time I took my hair extensions down, I mean, I felt so liberated. I almost can't even explain the emotions and the feeling and the freeness that I felt when I took my hair down. But for some reason, I felt ultra free. Just, you know, do you, boo. Be bold, be beautiful, just go for it. You know, no matter what people say, it is all about you and how you feel. You know, they say that as we grow older, we need to change the way we dress. We need to change the way we do our hair. We need to change who we are. No, I don't agree with that at all. By no means. I mean, you know, if you're bold and beautiful and you want to rock your... Okay, here's a case in point. Right? I have a friend who have a beautiful head full of gray hair. She's been gray for many, many years. You know, she started graying really early in age. So she stopped coloring her hair, and she's been wearing her gray for years. You know, and so she was wanting to get the faux locks put in her hair. And you know, and everybody was saying, well, you need to get the black ones mixed with the gray. You know, my friend went full on gray faux locks, and they look amazing. I mean, she looked fabulous, and I am so super proud of her for just, you know, being who she is and what make her feel beautiful and what make her feel great. And she looks amazing. She is really rocking those faux locks, guys. I'm so super proud of her. But one thing, when I took my extensions down, because if you can look back in my other videos, you can see that I had and I had color in the extensions. So when I took my hair down, I noticed I had quite a few gray strands all throughout the hair. But right here in the front, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but there's like some streaks of grays going right here in the front. So when I took my hair down, I washed it and conditioned my hair, and then I got in the light, and those grays were sparkling, darling. I mean, they were sparkling. And I was like, I need to go visit Miss Clara, right? That's what I kept saying to myself. But I said I'm gonna sleep on it. So the next day I got up, and I had two strand twisted my natural hair, and I took it loose, and it was all big and bold and beautiful. And the gray, guys, I didn't mind it. I mean, you know, I am fabulous. We are fabulous. So if we feel fabulous, rock it, right? That's what I say. Rock. Just be bold in who you are. So I decided I'm just going to let the gray be gray. I mean, you know, it's growing, but it doesn't make me who I am. Just because I'm getting gray hair, many say that's wisdom. So, honey, I got a lot of wisdom going on up here. But yeah, girl. So what I want to say to us beautiful, more mature women, do you. If you want to rock your gray hair, don't worry about what people are going to say. Don't worry about if people tell me, oh, she need to color that. Because guilty, I was one of those ones who kept telling my friends, girl, you need to cover up that gray. No, if you love it, rock it. Be you, boo. you can rock it like nobody else can. Can't nobody beat you being you, right? Right. So just go for it. That's what I say. And if you want to cut your long hair short, cut it. Don't let anybody tell you what you have to do and how you have to be. If you want to put extensions and rock them down to your butt, do it if that makes you feel good. Who says that you can't do it at your age? Who says we have to, it's an age limit to what we can do? You know, I saw an article or something on TV. They were talking about Kelly Ripa. You know, her body, she had on a two-piece bikini with her husband on the beach, and the girl abs were sick, y'all. It made me want to put down what I was eating and say, girl, you need to get water. Water. That's all you need is water. But guys, she looked amazing. But because she's almost 50, they said she shouldn't have had on a bikini. Why? Who made these rules? Where did these rules come from? I haven't seen them in a rule book. Rules are made to be broken sometimes, right? Right. That's what I say. She looked good. I wish I had abs like that. Then y'all be talking about me. She need to cover them up. But babe, I will rock them. And she looked good. She looked amazing, you know? So she had on her two-string bikini and she looked good, and I don't see what the problem was. But we sometimes want to judge, and we want to say what people can and cannot do. But I believe we can do whatever we feel to do. You know, I was talking to a friend today, and I said that, you know, the Bible said that the wise women are to, you know, we're supposed to mentor the younger women because we are wiser. I told her that we are them. We are them. We are the mature women who needs to impart our wisdom onto the younger women. So I don't know about you, but I don't think I would take much advice for someone who just didn't have any self-respect or self-care. Maybe not self-respect, but maybe self-care. I mean, you know, you don't care how you look. You don't care what you wear. You just don't care. I mean, you know, what can you impart in me if you don't care? I'm just asking a question. I mean, you know, that's all. But I believe that we have a lot to offer. I mean, I think we right now can just shatter, not shadow, but shatter the mold that has been created for us. I don't think we have to wear, you know, old fogey clothes because we are mature. I don't think that we can't rock our natural hair big and wild if we choose to. I don't think that we have to color our hair and still dress frumpy if we don't choose to. I think it's our choice. I think we should be bold enough to do what makes us feel good. Right? That's what I say. So today I'm just coming to tell you, girl, be you, rock your hair, rock your clothes. Just do you, okay? Just be bold, be beautiful. Go in your closet, think about some things. Think about, you know, what you got in there. If you don't feel it anymore, get rid of it. If you want to change it, change it. Because the only way change is going to happen is if you change it, right? That's what I say. So I tell my daughter all the time, that is one motto I live by. Change don't become change until you change. You want something to change, you got to change. That's what I say. We have to change. For it to take place, for it to take legs, for it to take action, we have to change. So that's all I'm asking you today. If you don't like who you are at this moment, you have the power within yourself to change it. I was watching a lady's video, and I can't even think of her name, but she's going through a divorce, and she was, you know, people was criticizing her for coming and being so emotional on YouTube and talking about what her emotions and how she felt. I don't see anything wrong with it, but I saw it as empowering. I saw it as freedom. I mean, you know, she was freeing herself. She was letting out all those emotions, and she was sharing it with you to let you know that you too can overcome. If this is something that you're going through in your life, you too can overcome this. You don't have to let this define who you are. We don't have to. You're 50 and you feel like you want to dress a certain way, dress that way. If you want to wear white pants in December, wear them. Who says a rule? Where do these rules come from that we live by? We have looked at other people and we've taken what they are and put it on us. And we live by their rules. That's not what you want to do, but you do it because they say that's the thing you should do. But does it feel right in your core? If it doesn't feel right in your core, then it's not the thing for you to do. It may be right for Sally, but it may not be right for you. Sally may need to do that, but why are you doing it? I'm just asking. I just want us to think that we are vibrant. We are lively. We are living longer than ever. So, I mean, we're taking care of our bodies. We're going and we're eating right. We're going to the gym. We're exercising. We're reading and we're keeping our minds sharp. I mean, you know, like never before have a woman been so empowered to be her. And your life don't stop when you turn 50. It's just beginning. I don't know, maybe it's because right now I don't care what people think about me or what people have to say about me. I am who I am, accept me as I am, or don't accept me at all. I didn't ask you to come into my life, but if you choose to come, welcome. But if you don't, bye. You feel me? I'm just saying. Be who you want to be. Be how you want to be. Love hard. Don't be afraid to love because you got hurt one time or 2 times or 3 times. Love hard like you've never been hurt before. Grind hard. If you want to start a new career, start your new career at 50. You can do it. It can be done. It's not going to be easy, but it can be done. You can do it. If you want to travel solo, travel solo. Who said you got to have someone to travel with you? You can meet all kinds of people all over the world. You know, do it. If that's what you want to do, do it. Don't let nobody stop you from doing what you want to do. We have preached to our children for years. You can be what you want to be. You can live where you want to live. You can drive what you want to drive. You know, you can do all these things, but then when it comes to us, we put pause on it. Why? Do we believe the hype that we've created in their lives? Because if we do believe what we said, then why is age stopping you? Why? It's a question that I've asked myself. We work hard. We provided for our children. You know, most of our kids now are probably adults or almost adults. You know, for the more mature woman. But guys, life is just beginning. You know what I'm saying? We don't have the responsibility of coming home cooking every day if we don't feel like it. If we don't want to cook, don't cook, girl. Go out and get you some food. If you don't want to make the bed today, don't make it. Who to say? I'm just saying. Be you. Be bold. Be beautiful. Be all that you can be. We were created to be amazing. We were created with a purpose. And if you have not found your purpose yet, now is the fine time to start. Start to dig for that thing, that passion that you have deep on the inside of you. If it's for writing, if it's for taking pictures, I mean, you know, whatever it is that you truly want to do it. That's all I'm saying. Just be bold. Be beautiful. I mean, you know, and when I say beautiful, I'm not talking about this outer appearance. I'm talking about on the inside. Be beautiful. Feel beautiful. If you have to stand to that mirror every morning and say to yourself, you are beautiful. Keep standing until you believe it. Keep standing until you believe it. Nothing can stop you. Nothing. Why do we allow people to take our power? My friend Felicia had on her page, and I had to just carry it on too. She say, stand in your power. Why are we not standing in our power? Why are we letting everybody take our power away from us? And we stand in the shadows. Our forefathers and our foremothers have built great foundations for us to stand on, but a foundation is not just meant to stand upon, it's meant to be built upon. I mean, you know, I'm in the real estate industry, so when I think about a foundation, I think about when you lay a foundation to build a house. We don't just lay the foundation and say, here's your house. We build upon that foundation. And then not only do you build upon that foundation, but you build something strong on that foundation, because that is your shelter. That is your protection from the elements. That's your protection from storms. So you want your home to be built strong to withstand anything that comes its way. So those are the type of shoulders that we're standing on. People who didn't let nothing defy them or stop them from being great. So why are we today stopping and not allowing ourselves to be great? We can do this. We can restart. We can do it. Come on, man. You know that's how we do it. At least that's how I've had to do it. I mean, you know, I thought I was going to get married and stay married to him forever. You know, thought that we were going to have this great life together. But that's not how it turned out to be. We had some fun. Baby, let me tell you, I had some hard times. But I did not let that stop me. I knew something on the inside of me said, if I build all that with him, I can do that with myself, by myself. Be bold. Be beautiful. Be powerful. Whatever it is you want to do, do it. It's not too late. If you want to go back to school, go back to school. Get your degree. Or degrees, if that's what you want to do. You want to pick up a camera and go and take the most amazing landscape pictures? Go do it. If you want to travel the world and take pictures of whatever cathedral you see, do it. If that's going to bring joy in your life and you can financially afford it, do it. And if you're struggling financially, don't think it's the end. You can dig your way out of it. You can. I believe in you. Yes, I believe in you. I know you can do it. We can do this, guys. We can be bold. We can be beautiful. We can be liberated. We can be free to be who God created you to be. There are no molds that we have to stand by. You know, they're all broken. They're all shattered. So I'm asking you just to do you. Just go out, be free, and do it. This is your girl, Sim Marie. Thank you for coming to my channel. I hope you like my channel. If you know of any videos or anything you want me to talk about, leave some comments below. Thumb up, hit that button, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I'll catch you the next time. Thanks, guys. Bye.